Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to add a logo to your header on your Wix website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. It's very easy and quick to do and you'll have no problems doing it. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Wix.com website and open up the dashboard of your website. So we want to open up our site in our edit mode, and we're going to do that by going to the dashboard and clicking this button in the upper right corner called Edit Site. So guys, go ahead and click on Edit Site, and this will open up a new tab of your website in editorial mode. You guys know you're in edit mode by all the options on the left side of the screen that enable you to edit your website. So guys, how do we add a logo? Well guys, you want to click on this first option right here called Add Elements. Go ahead and click on that. And now guys, we'll go ahead and find the logo option that we can use. You can either go ahead and click on search right here and type in logo, or you can go ahead directly and click on decorative and then click on this option right here called logos and badges. So guys, just go ahead and find the logo that you find the most amusing to use. Let's go ahead and find any logo. Let's say this is the logo that we want to add, and just go ahead guys, and after it is added, just drag it to your header wherever you want. You can expand it, you can change its size, you can add links or settings and so on, so you can design it. You do whatever you want, just put it in your header, and after you're finished it will stay there as your new logo. But guys, if you want to add a picture of your own, then all you have to do is go ahead to this option right here called Media, click on Media and click on this blue button right here called Upload Media. So guys, you can choose a logo from your PC that you want to upload and add as a logo, and just do the same thing that you did before, putting the picture in your header. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.